welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. Today, we are going to talk about the recent debate between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. This debate was a huge event and it's important to understand what happened and why it matters. We will go over every part of the debate, how the candidate performed, and what it means for the future of American publics. Let's dive in. The debate began with a lot of excitement and high expectations. Kamala Harris came into the debate ready to make a big impact right from the start. She aimed to challenge Donald Trump and shake his confidence. One of her first move was to criticize the Trump rallies. Harris pointed out that people were leaving his rallies early. She suggests that his events were not very engaging or interesting, and that his support might not be as strong as he claimed. Trump's reaction to this criticism was to defend the size and success of his rallies. Instead of addressing the broader issues or focusing on policy discussions, Trump got caught up in proving that his rallies were large and well attended. This defensive reaction shows that he was visibly uncomfortable with Harris' attack. By focusing so much on defending his rally size, Trump missed the opportunity to discuss more important topics or to counter Harris' points effectively. When the debate moved to the topic of the economy, Harris took the chance to criticize Trump's trade policies. She referred to his tariffs as a Trump sales tax. Trump sales tax. Harris argued that these tariffs were hurting American consumers by making goods more expensive and disrupting supply chains. By farming the tariffs in his way, she made it clear that Trump's policies had negative effect on everyday Americans. Trump's defense of his tariffs was that they were necessary to protect American business and from unfair competition. He mentioned that the trade deals he had made and claimed they were good for the United States. However, Trump's arguments were overshadowed by Harris' criticism. Instead of focusing on his achievements, Trump found himself responding to Harris' attacks and trying to justify his policies. This shift in focus made it harder for him to effectively communicate his own success and defend his record. Harris was also skilled in bringing up Trump's past controversies during the debate. She asked him about his action during the Capitol riot and his interactions with former officials who had criticized him. Harris' strategy was to keep Trump on the defensive by forcing him to explain and justify his past decisions. This approach was designed to highlight Trump's mistakes and weaknesses, making him look less capable and more valuable. Trump's response. Trump's responses to Harris' attacks were often too defensive and sometimes frustrated. Instead of providing clear and strong answer, he frequently attacked Harris or tried to shift the blame. These defensive postures made it difficult for Trump to stay focus and address the criticism effectively. His inability to respond directly to Harvey's points showed that he was struggling to control the narrative of the debate. The debate also touched on foreign policy issues. Harris criticized Trump's dealing with the Taliban and his decisions to invite them to Camp David. She argued that these actions were serious mistakes and questions Trump's commitment to national security. Harris' criticism aimed to show that Trump's foreign policy foreign policy decisions were flawed and had potentially dangerous consequences. Trump tried to defend his foreign policy record, but Harris' criticisms made it challenging for him to stay on topic. Instead of highlighting his achievements, Trump found himself reaching to Harris' attacks. This reactive approach prevented him from effectively communicating his successes and defending his record on foreign policy. After the debate, the media and public reactions were closely watched. Many media outlets and polls indicated that Harris had a strong performance. For example, CNN's quick polls shows that viewers thought Harris did better. Betting markets also reflected this sentiment, suggesting that Harris had a more favorable performance in the debate. The moderators of the debate, David Muir and Leslie Davis, played a very crucial role by fact-checking Trump's statements and ensuring that the debate remained fair and factual. Harris' strategy of putting Trump on the defensive was effective. She managed to keep him answering questions about his past mistakes and avoided letting him focus on his strengths. This approach helped her gain an advantage in the debate and highlighted her ability to handle challenging questions and criticism. In a summary, the debate was a significant event where Kamala Harris used effective strategies to challenge Donald Trump. She focused on his past actions, criticized his policies, and kept him on the defensive throughout the debate. Trump, on the other hand, struggled to maintain control and effectively counter Harris' attacks. The media and public reactions suggested that Harris had a stronger performance, which could influence future of developments in the election. That's it for today. Thank you for joining me on Global Scope News. I am your host, Mohsen Ali. If you found this analysis helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates and in-depth discussions. We will be back with more coverage and analysis of important events. See you in the next time. Until the next video, take care.